Saliha's dessert, I know the ingredients individually. I'm really unsure of how they're all going to come together.
I wake up having nightmares about melting panna cottas and about uncrispy baklava pastry and honeycomb that's going wrong. I can't even tell you how distressing it can be. It's like the worst dream ever.
I love Saliha's menu. I think it sounds absolutely fantastic. It's gonna be full of spice. It's gonna dance around like crazy. It's just, can she get it all done? I've got to say, I think it looks fantastic.
Thank you.
Saliha's starter is a venison shami kebab with cashew and coriander green chutney, chana dal, and a kachumba salad.
Your venison kebab is so much softer than I thought it was going to be. It's almost the texture of pate, but still rich in flavour of venison. And because there's no fat running through, it just dissolves completely in your mouth. I think that green chutney is fantastic. With the coconut in the background, the sweetness of it, I think it's just fantastic. I love it, absolutely love it.
The flavour combination there, it's mint freshness going sweet, getting salty, going spicy, finishing hot. It's divine.
Her main course is sous vide duck breast with crispy duck skin, fricassee wheat grain spiced with dried barberries, walnuts and coriander, a cherry chutney, and a duck and cherry sauce.
It's another very, very attractive dish.
I love it. Honestly, I love it. And I'll tell you what I love about it. It is this extraordinary mixture of flavours. The skin itself of that duck is the thing that holds it all together. The duck itself is soft as you like, and there is that lovely flavour of aniseed running all the way through the back of it. I'm really, really blown away by this. I think it's delicious.
Fruit and duck is a combination we know really well. It's as old as time. The sharp sweetness of the barberry inside the fricassee matches the sweet sharpness of the cherry. The bitterness in your sauce matches the bitterness of the skin, all surrounding that beautifully soft duck breast. That's very, very clever. That's very, very good cooking.
Thank you.
Saliha's dessert is a saffron, rosewater and cardamom panna cotta with deconstructed baklava, including honeycomb, candied pistachios, phyllo pastry shards and kumquats.
That's another very attractive plate. I think it's very, very pretty. How extraordinary. I'm a real lover of puddings, and that pudding is extraordinary and extraordinarily good. I expected that panna cotta to give the sweetness, but it doesn't. It's flavoured of saffron and a little bit of cardamom. It's not savoury, but it's in no way sweet. The sweetness comes from the honeycomb and those nuts. Very extraordinary flavour sensations here. I'm in love with that dessert.
What we've got is this texture of crispy phyllo pastry and nuts with a saffron custard and a sweet, sharp, bitter orange marmalade. Saliha, thought-provoking.
Wow. Wow. Watching you slowly, step by step, develop into the cook that creates dishes like this has been wonderful.